Good day. Welcome to Shashun News. Headlines today. Shashun celebrates its talent hunt today. Former visual communication student represents India in Japan. Shashun to take part in Guinness record. Academic orientation, workshops and induction day held in June. Shashun girls win the sports trophy in national and international level. News in detail. Shri S.S. Shashun Jain College for Women is celebrating its talent hunt today. The Freshers' Day celebration will be inaugurated by Mr. Satya Prakash, playback singer of Airtel Super Singer fame. Miss Sharmila Thapa, the anchor of Aditya TV, will preside over the valediction. The one-day talent hunt for this year is named Varna to denote the shades of life. This is a special occasion for the first-year students to showcase their talents. The staff in charge for the program, Miss Gayatri and Miss Shanti, informed that all arrangements have to be made. Miss Shweta, a former visual communication student of Shri S.S. Shashun Jain College for Women, is representing India in the World Whistling Convention 2016 conducted in Japan from 15th to 17th of July. Shri S. Abhay Kumar, the secretary, and Dr. B. Purna, the principal, offered their best wishes and support for her success. The students of Shri S.S. Shashun Jain College for Women are participating in Bharatiya Ganathon conducted with the aim of breaking the Guinness World Record. 5,000 students, including 2,000 from Shashun College and 3,000 school students, will be participating in the singing ceremony conducted on 23rd July in Chennai. Activity Review. The staff orientation program was held on 2nd June. The seminar was conducted by Dr. Selvam, National Professor of Eminence at IIT New Delhi. The annual bridge course for the first-year students was held between 4th and 8th June. A class topper was identified from every department and awarded a certificate on induction day. The induction day for the year 2016 was held on June 10th. Dr. K. Shekhar, the Director of Collegiate Education, Government of Tamil Nadu, inaugurated the function. Faculty Development Program on Beyond Teaching, Role of Facilitator was followed by the event. Dr. Sultan Ahmad Ismail, Managing Director of Ecoscience Research Foundation, addressed the gathering. The Department of Visual Communication organized a guest lecture on taking India to the world on 30th June. Illustrious designer Mr. Subrata Bhaumik addressed the students and gave an insight into the world of Indian traditional design and the aspect of modernization and transition that seems to be affecting the Indian culture. The secretary of the college, Shri S. Abhay Kumar, delivered a memento to the chief guest. Dr. B. Purna, principal, felicitated the chief guest. A student workshop was conducted from 4th to 11th July as part of entrepreneurial development. The workshop was conducted by Mr. N. Amarnath and Associates. Sports. The Shashun girls lifted the overall champion trophy in the India vs Nepal Football International Cup held at Kathmandu, Nepal. They participated in the sub-junior, junior and senior category. Shashun girls also won second place in table soccer in the singles and doubles category conducted in Madhya Pradesh. Thank you.